Hello. Okay, here we go. So we have these two pieces. This is the most common problem on this worksheet. Students are going to see these two arrows here and think they're connected and try to draw an arrow that goes up like that. That's not the case. These are two components. You have to move components that are tail to tail so that they're tip to tail. So what I can do, I can move an arrow over here, okay? I could move the 55 over there or whatever, but I'm just going to move this arrow over here. So now it's tip to tail. So there is our new drawing. Now, it doesn't look like much now, but once I start drawing the other shapes that go with it, my resultant is going to be in this direction now. So that's what our resultant should look like. Now you do have other pieces that you have to deal with, all right? This 55 is really a right triangle, okay, with a 60-degree angle. So you have a 60-degree angle and the two sides to it, okay? So let me get rid of this resultant right now. This is what we have, all right? These two pieces here are just components. So I need to get what that new component is going to be. Okay, I need to get these little pieces here and figure out what these little pieces are. So if I take all these, I'm going to ignore the 45 for a second. I'm going to move this over here. All right? You're going to have to do SOHCAHTOA to get these pieces. The one side here is going to be your vertical piece. The other side is going to be your horizontal piece. To get the side here, you will have to do 55 sine of 60, and that'll get you that piece. The other side is going to be similar, but it's going to be the adjacent side, so that'll be 55 cosine 60. All right, so go ahead and do your calculations for that, and you will get 47.6 for your vertical piece and 27.5 for your horizontal piece. Okay, now these are pieces then that you'll now place in your columns over here to keep track of everything. So this piece over here, okay, we will put in our 47.6. And that is a vertical piece, so we'll write it in over here. All right. Horizontally, the horizontal piece of it was this. All right. Now, what's left? We still have that 45 over here. So this 45 is still connected, and it's tip to tail with the original component. So this 45 is horizontal only. So that horizontal piece is right there. Okay? So what do you have vertically? You have a 47.6 only. So that'll be your answer here. Horizontal or vertically. Horizontally, you have these two pieces to add together. So you're going to add them together, and you will get. So you have components here. The total here is just 47.6. That's your only vertical piece. The components horizontally is 72.5. Those two added together. All right. So what does that mean? It means that your actual drawing is going to look it will go from here to there. All right. And that total will be a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and that'll get you your answer. And what about the angle over here? Okay, the angle that's down below here is going to be inverse tangent. You have an opposite side and you have an adjacent side. So to get your angle, you will do inverse tangent of the 47.6, which is a vertical piece, divided by your 72.5, which is your full horizontal piece. And that'll get your answer.